Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you change settings of keyboard on your iPhone. So let's start up the process. Now here you can see settings icon at your home screen. To open up settings, tap on this icon. Now after opening settings, scroll down. Now here you can see first option, general. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Now here you can see option keyboard. Tap on this option. Now from your here you can change settings of your keyboard. If you want to off autocorrection, on show math results, mark punctuation, character view, you can change settings according to your choice. Check spelling, stickers, auto punctuation, etc. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.